Welcome to my channel Living Linux. Today I will continue my journey with the Banana Pi M2S, and I also bought the acrylic case for the Banana Pi M2 Plus. Now officially this is not compatible, but I'm going to try to get it fitting. So I already know up front that it's not designed to be compatible, and one of the things is that with the ports, for instance, they are different. So probably I'm not going to use this part. So I also know that the holes, so probably these two, they will fit. And let's see, hopefully, if it's going to be like this or like that. Yeah, that this third one will also fit, hopefully. And well, I'm going to play around with this, and once I have it all assembled, then I will come back after the break. Well, here is the result. Unfortunately, I was only able to get these two in, because on this side it just misses like 1 or 2 by 1 or 2 millimeters. This one is definitely off by a lot. So, but it's good enough for now for me. You can also see that I put a heatsink on top of the Amlogic chip, and that is part of a heatsink set that they advertised as for a Raspberry Pi. So I asked Banana Pi if you need additional cooling, and they said for, let's just say, average use, you should be fine without any additional cooling. But yeah, if you start stressing the system, then it's better to have a little bit of cooling. So yeah, you can see that the big standoff is here. There's a smaller one on the bottom of the PCB, and then you have the screws here on the bottom, and also the screws on top. So only these two I was able to get them in. So that means that we still have 4 screws left. Yeah, it's not the best fit. Also, I had to remove the micro SD card when I fitted it in, and it's like a really tight fit. But you can still get it out and also in. So for now, this is good enough for me. If you want to have a better fitting case, then they have a metallic case for the M2S. So I can definitely recommend the metallic case if you want to have a better fit. But hey, what's life without a little bit of experimenting? Huh? So the next step I'm going to do is test, because we only have a single USB port working. So I'm going to test with a wireless keyboard with a touchpad and I'm also going to try with a very old USB hub slash card reader. So I'm going to set things up for a test. So I'll be back after the break. So I've booted up the Banana Pi M2S, and I have a wireless keyboard with touchpad, and it comes with its own dedicated dongle. So I'm going to put that in. Going to switch on the wireless keyboard and touchpad. So I hope you can see the mouse pointer. It's not very visible, but anyway, I'm going to click on the menu. So let's see, we have LibreOffice Writer. So let's start that one. So I'm going to click on OK. Let's type some stuff. So this works with a wireless keyboard, and that has its own dedicated dongle, USB dongle. So the next test is going to be with a very old USB hub slash card reader. So going to set things up for that one, so I'll be back after the break. Well, I tried to test this USB hub, but unfortunately the Banana Pi M2S immediately crashed. So here you can, oh, hello, are we still here? Oops. Yeah, we're still here. Looks like the HDMI connection is sometimes not that good. So you can see where we've been booted up, and as soon as I connect the USB hub, I tried this before and it wasn't working, so perhaps it was just a problem with the HDMI cable or connector, whatever. So let's see what happens if we connect a mouse. Okay, that looks good. Oh. Do we still have a signal? Yeah, we still have a signal. I don't know if you can see the mouse. See to the bottom part. Hope you can see something happening there. So, well, I guess there's something not really good with the HDMI connection, but so let's see what happens if we add a keyboard. So meanwhile, let's just start LibreWriter again. discard. Yeah. So, okay. So when we add the keyboard, let's see if it still has enough power. And we're going down and we start typing things. I hope you can see that I'm actually typing stuff. Perhaps if I take a bigger font, that it's better visible. So it looks like that you can use a simple USB hub on the USB-A port for mouse and keyboard. So that's a good thing. So that is enough testing for now. Yeah, I'm going to test some more software, and once I'm done with those tests, I will create a new video with the BPI-M2S. So today we added a heatsink to the Amlogic chip, and I added the case that wasn't actually designed for the M2S, but it was actually designed for the M2S or the M2 Plus. But it's good enough for me. And also the good thing is that you can actually connect a USB hub on the USB-A port, and that way connect a keyboard and mouse simultaneously. So I'm going to test some software, and that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.